Hi everyone, my name is Vinith Kumar. In this video, I am going to discuss how to host our React application into Netlify web hosting platform. So before going to host, we need to check our React project is working or not in locally. So this is my React project, and here I am clicking opening in integrated terminal, and to run our project we need to enter this command run npm run dev and click on the localhost. In browser we can see our React project is working fine. So before going to host, we need to know why we need to host. So without hosting we can access in our local only. If we want to access in another system, we need to host. So before going to host, we need to push our code into GitHub. So let's get started to push our code into GitHub. So here I am creating one repository in my GitHub account, and here enter the name for repository, hosting Netlify. After creating the repository, and this copy this URL and stop the server. In this our path, we need to enter some commands to push our code into GitHub. So the first command is git init and git add. Next, commit message, git commit message. And the next one is we need to add origins. And the last command is git push origin master. So here my code is pushed to GitHub. So we can check here our code is here. So let's get started to hosting. Here I am clicking the Netlify. So click on this link. If you are first time using, we need to sign up and login. So here I already signed up. Then I am clicking on the login. So in this Netlify, we have button like add new site and click on the import an existing project. So here we can see our GitHub. So let's deploy your project with GitHub. So I am clicking the GitHub and search for our repository name. So here I am giving the repository name as hosting Netlify. Here we can see hosting Netlify repositories came. If you want to give that link name, you can give. Here I am giving the name. Here I am giving the name as static Netlify hosting, and here select your repository branch. So here my branch name is master, and so you don't want to enter anything like, so just scroll and click on the deploy static Netlify hosting. Here we can see what site. So here we can see deployment is successful. Just click on this link. Here we can see our deployed React project. So now we can share this link to everyone. Everyone can access through this link. So this is all about hosting in Netlify web hosting platform. So thank you.